Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I posted in our Facebook community, She's Making an Impact. You should probably join. What are you struggling with right now? What do you need help with in your business? And Amy said, marketing is hard to master. And I wanted to share my take on marketing because I probably think about it a little bit differently than other people, which makes it super fun, and I love marketing. All I do is I think about, how can I add value today? I don't think of, I need to do marketing today to grow my business. I literally just say, what do my people need? What are they struggling with right now? This is literally a question that I asked in She's Making an Impact. What are you struggling with right now, and how can I support you? And where do you need support in your business? And so by asking that question, I'm able to come back with an answer that's going to add value to my people. So I don't think of these crazy marketing formulas and sales techniques or anything like that. Literally, it's how can I make a difference today? How can I add value today to somebody's life? And when you do that and you just show up with that intention, people feel it and they want to know what it is you're up to and they want to be a part of it. So I hope that helps kind of reframe your perspective on marketing. See it as something that's fun. See it as something that you get to do, and you're lucky to be able to show up every day and have this business where you can reach literally millions of people with your message. How cool is that? So I hope that helps. Head to she'smakinganimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you later.